Welcome to the last video in our PastPerfect Online training series. In our previous videos, we showed you how to select records and fields to share online, as well as how to set up advanced search categories. All that's left to do now is update the site with the selections you've made. Updating your site is a simple two-step process. Let's get started. We'll begin by opening the PastPerfect Online web publishing wizard and clicking Next until we come to the screen to create our web publishing files. You'll notice that on the right side of the screen, we have 12 checkboxes representing the different parts of your PastPerfect program. Checkboxes 1 through 11 should remain checked. This is especially true if this is the first time you're creating data on a specific computer, or if you aren't sure of the changes you've made since the last time you updated your site. By selecting all options on this side of the screen, we'll be sure to have the software find any changes to records and fields that you've selected to go online. When you're ready, click Create Files Now, and you'll see the program put a red check next to each option on the right side of the screen as it completes creating those types of records. Since we only have about 15 records in our example, this process will be very quick. On average, it does take about 20 to 30 minutes for the program to create all of your data and images. When the process is complete, you'll receive a message that says Publish Files Created Successfully. Click on OK, and then click Next at the bottom of the screen. This is the step of the process where we actually upload this web-friendly information to our site. We can click on the button that says Upload Data and Images to Website. Once we click that button, the program begins to transfer the files to our web servers. When the data is finished being transferred, you'll receive an email. Images may take a bit longer, so even once you receive that email, you may see that images are still populating into your site. Most organizations will have their site fully updated with data and images in about 1 hour. When the process is complete, you'll receive a message saying Operation Complete, and you can click on OK. Let's exit from the web publishing wizard and take a moment to review the changes we've made throughout this video series and how they would reflect and display on your website. Here we are in our sample site. Let's begin by doing a keyword search for the quilt that we added in our first video. We can see that we find our quilt, and when we visit the record, we'll notice our field order, which we discussed in the second video, title, object name, as well as our custom field 21, which we renamed to be finding aid. We also worked in these videos to set up our advanced search mapping. You'll see that the fields on the screen here are in the same order as they appeared on our advanced search setup screen. And if we do a search in collection for Rocky Pine Ranch, the same search we did to populate our catalog list, we'll receive the same 14 results that we did in the software. If you have any questions about PastPerfect Online or anything that we covered in these videos, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us at 1-800-562-6080 or at pposupport@museumsoftware.com.